Hey loves, in today's video we will be doing a full maintenance of our sewing. To say that this hair is a lot of maintenance is to say the least, but I haven't been really doing anything much to it. I always just wet it, but I wonder if I would start to plait it, would I get better results? In today's video we're doing everything maintenance, which is shower. I'm gonna do a little skincare, but first we're gonna get into hair. We're gonna wash this. We'll be using the Neil rosemary and peppermint. I love it, and my hair is gonna smell so good. And so yeah, as you can see now, it's a little tangled and we need to get it looking like something. So if you're interested in that, stay tuned. My favorite soap is Dove. I feel like all women should be using Dove, and maybe the sensitive one preferably for our lady parts. And then you can indulge in your favorite body care and body scrubs and oils after the fact, but I do like 2 washes, and my washes will come after I wash my hair. Let me turn off this noise. I always use Dove. I think all ladies should use Dove to clean their lady parts. And then whatever your favorite body wash, body scrub, body oil, you can do that as well. I like Cremio Italian Bergamot. I actually like their whole line, so it comes and goes. Like when I want to switch up, I really don't like to sleep in sweet smells. I like to sleep in just really my body chemistry, my body scent. And so this don't leave me feeling like that. I also have this hydrating oil complex I got from Target. And so this just makes my body feels hydrated. After doing 2 washes, I'll add that like in my second wash. And then whenever I feel like I want to do a sugar scrub. Okay, so I'm about to get into this video.
Comfortably indulging and trying to get to know me. I'm just an outline of what I used to be. Constantly evolving, steadily revolving. I don't need you to find me. You don't have I get it. I don't need you to find me. I get it. I don't need you to find me. You don't have I get it. I don't need you to find me. Comfortably indulging and trying to get to know me. I'm just an outline of what I used to be. Constantly evolving, steadily revolving. I don't need you to find me. You don't have to. I get it. I don't need you to find me. I get it. I don't need you to find me. You don't have to. I get it. I don't need you to find me.
we love. Okay. I'm so obsessed. Break up with your breakouts. I know that's right. You got to go. And look how cute. Oh my god. Okay, I can't wait to open this for you guys and show you in detail. So let's get into it. Kiehl's did send me over this amazing package with their medicated salicylic acid. I have been using it now for a month, so I can give you an honest review. When I tell you it's gentle for sensitive skin, I love the consistency and how it goes on clear, and it has medicated 1.2 salicylic acid, and their clear pimple patch has medicated 2% salicylic acid with licorice root and niacinamide. So when I say deep cleaning pores and busting breakouts, yeah, I'm on top of this. I love it, and I just wanted to be able to share and give you my honest review. And like I said, I've been using it for a month, and I will put some clips in of me using it. A lot of that stuff is over on my TikTok. Do in-depth skincare reviews. Non-drying, non-irritating. So yeah, that's what we have here. This is the acne preventing treatment lotion. Here we have the Truly Targeted Acne Clearing Solution. It's a medicated 2% salicylic acid acne treatment, clinically demonstrated to rapidly clear pimples and whiteheads to prevent new blackheads from forming. Liquid patch with licorice root and niacinamide. Okay, so that sounds really, really good. And yeah, we're gonna try this tonight. So this right here, I'm actually obsessed with the consistency, with the ingredients. That the ingredients have antibacterial properties that fight off environmental impurities, and it has salicylic acid. So yeah, I'm obsessed. And I have 2 breakouts here because I've been eating like badly, but we're working on those this week, and that will consist of cutting out all added sugars. So I'll just be eating fruits, vegetables. Yeah, I have to cut out all added sugars just to get rid of these. And so today is Monday morning, and we're going to track this until the weekend or next week. Let's see how long it takes for this to disappear. Of course, we have to use sunscreen. I'm gonna go in. There's just a little bit of this. I know 2 fingers is what it's calling for, but I really like to focus it in on my areas where I have dark spots. Then I'll do a little on my forehead. Okay, that should be enough. No white cast, well, semi-white cast, but whatever, we're gonna get that in. My hands, yes, they need lotion, but I can't put lotion right now until I get my skin together.